So this is fifth day on the flip here. Starting to make some progress, but finding out some interesting things about the property here. Unfortunately, I discovered today that there is a water leak coming from down there that's controlled by the city water, so I've got a water leak under the slab. Not good. A little bit of demo happening here. Been working on this side yard today, trying to get it cleared, clear this fence out, because we're going to be redoing all the fence. Got a lot of work to do to get this ready. A lot of work to do. Anybody ready for a swim? Pool party! Yeah, looks more like a koi pond than a swimming pool, but